Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to our deep dive into the Ferrari 812 GTS, the ultimate open-top Grand Tourer from the iconic Italian manufacturer. In this video, we'll explore the performance, design, and driving experience that make the 812 GTS a standout in Ferrari's illustrious lineup. Whether you're a Ferrari enthusiast or a luxury car aficionado, the 812 GTS is sure to impress with its blend of power, elegance, and advanced engineering. The Ferrari 812 GTS is the convertible version of the 812 Superfast, and it continues the legacy of Ferrari's front-end giant V12 Grand Tourers. Introduced in 2020, the 812 GTS brings the thrill of open-air driving to the remarkable performance of the Superfast. Let's dive into what makes this car so special. At the heart of the Ferrari 812 GTS lies a naturally aspirated 6.5-litre V12 engine. This power plant produces an astonishing 789 horsepower and 530 pounds-feet of torque. Here's a quick rundown of its performance stats: 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.8 seconds, top speed, 211 miles per hour. This V12 engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, delivering power to the rear wheels. The 812 GTS also features advanced active aerodynamics and four-wheel steering, ensuring that it handles as sharply as it accelerates. The design of the 812 GTS is a harmonious blend of elegance and aggression. Key features include sleek, sculpted lines. The car's aerodynamic profile not only enhances its performance but also gives it a distinctive and stylish look. Retractable hardtop. The 812 GTS features an electronically controlled retractable hardtop that can be lowered in just 14 seconds, even at speeds up to 28 miles per hour. This design allows for an open-air experience without compromising on the car's sleek silhouette. Inside, the 812 GTS offers a luxurious and driver-focused cabin. Highlights include premium materials, leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara are used extensively throughout the cabin, providing a sense of luxury and sportiness. Advanced infotainment. The car features a modern infotainment system with a high-resolution display, navigation, and a premium sound system. Comfort and convenience. Despite its supercar performance, the 812 GTS is designed to be a comfortable Grand Tourer, with features like climate control, adjustable seats, and ample legroom. Driving the Ferrari 812 GTS is an exhilarating experience. The combination of its powerful V12 engine, responsive transmission, and advanced chassis technologies ensures that it delivers both thrilling speed and exceptional handling. The retractable hardtop adds another dimension to the driving experience, allowing you to enjoy the roar of the V12 engine with the top down. The Ferrari 812 GTS is more than just a car, it's a statement of Ferrari's commitment to blending performance, luxury, and innovation. Whether you're cruising along coastal roads or pushing the car to its limits on a track, the 812 GTS offers an unmatched driving experience. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Ferrari 812 GTS, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on the world's most exciting cars. And let us know in the comments what other cars you'd like us to feature in future videos.